this should go and wake him up. 200 for a saving grace, I feel I wasn't paid enough. Predicting what I complain about when Ollie catch a major buzz. Hundreds too freshly pressed, watch out for the paper cuts. The dude working, the tour coming, I'm poured up. The new burden is getting room service in foreign tongue. Boarding a Bombardier to fly to where I'm born from. And when I land a bad influencers swarm us. Women, they loving the dude, I can't fall or bear the thought. I fuck him in something to do, they quick to have the marriage talk. And no one can fit in my shoes, so they watch it where I walk, but can't mimic. They cramp sprinting the cash system, I was born for it. Fourth and inches, I'm going for it. I can't wait to trade for the skate for foreign plates. Foreign mortgages, all of them out in Florida. There's gotta be more to this, can't bring you if you ain't on the list. Turn their backs in the past, now they wanna come back. Too bad I'm not practicing forgiveness. Realize that they fucked up, now they see me get some. Can't eat while you standing in my kitchen. Yeah, I remember when you talked down, hands out, thinking that you getting some of ours now. If you weren't there for the grassroots, I can't let you in, I'm sorry.